All right, it says a population of values has a normal distribution with a mean, my normal distribution, kind of ugly, but there it is, of 229 and a standard deviation of 42. So you can see the population, standard deviation is known, therefore we can use a z. And it says, find the probability that a single randomly sample value is greater than 222.2. So you're looking for this probability greater than, so you're looking for this area right here. And once again, you certainly could find the z-value. Remember, you find the z-value by taking the sample minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. But this is so much quicker to use Google Sheets. So in Google Sheets on the Compute tab, all you have to do is put in the given mean, which was 229, the sigma, which was 42, and this I'm looking for greater than. So the sample, the 222.2, will be the lower, and then the upper will be infinity, so a very, very large value. So this 0.5643 would be my answer. So 0.5643. And because if you did it this way, then you would only get a z-value that then you would have to find the probability in a table. All right, now how this changes is when they tell you to consider the sample size. So the formula is really this. So it's the sample mean minus the population mean over the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. It just so happened, this one here, it said a single. So the difference here is you're going to have to divide the standard deviation by the square root of the sample size. There sure is a whole bunch of twos in this problem, of 221. So once again, I use Google Sheets, but what I do is I come in here and remember that these are formulas that, you know, if you don't mess with any of these, notice when I click on a cell, if you see an equal up here, that's a formula. But these other cells, you can type whatever you want. So what I'm going to do is have Excel calculate this for me, which was the standard deviation of 42 divided by the square root, SQRT, in parentheses, the sample size. And so this will do it for me. And notice now that my probability definitely changed depending on dividing out that sample size.